Welcome back. In this lesson, I will walk you through important reasons and tips for getting a great night's sleep. Adequate sleep affects every area of your life, from your physical health and appearance to your mental state and mood. Let's bolster up your sleep habits with some great tips for a good night's rest. First, tomorrow starts the night before. We often lose sleep over what we're not prepared for. Before going to bed, lay out what you will wear. Prepare the meals that you're going to have away from the house. Set the table for breakfast. Gather all the necessities for meetings or the gym if you're going. The key is to be prepared for tomorrow. Remember, tip number 1, tomorrow starts the night before. Tip number 2, have your water ready. Practice having a clean glass of water at your bedside to drink upon waking. Number 3, have a ritual moment, a prayer, meditation, bath, shower, pajamas, a special passage you read, something that is habitual that sends a signal to your brain and body it's time to rest. As parents, we are great at doing this for our children, bath, book, bed. We should follow the same wisdom. That seems easy enough, wouldn't you agree? I know you've got this. And did you know that there are special sheets that you could be sleeping on that are beneficial and healing to your body? What are you sleeping on? The most beneficial material to sleep on is linen. Linen has historically been touted as the best and most beneficial fabric for healing. I started practicing this after being diagnosed with my autoimmune disorder. Flax is a highly nutritious seed, and its benefits continue when the stalks are woven into fabric. 100% linen sheets are bacteria resistant. They're breathable, they have a natural pH balance, and are moisture absorbing, even evaporating capabilities, making them ideal for anyone with skin irritations, in addition to the world's best bedding. It is one of, if not the oldest known fabrics. The pharaohs even wore it and wrapped themselves in it. Just make sure you're getting the real thing. It transformed my sleeping habits. Linen is a healing fabric, they say, and if nothing else, a sweet luxury that you're worth. If you need to spend a third of your life doing something, shouldn't it be on the best possible fabric? Since your body is doing the most healing while it's sleeping, isn't it a bonus to be sleeping on linen sheets? Hands down, it is the best material for restful sleep. It has hypoallergenic properties and it just feels good. I'm not talking about that scratchy raw linen. I'm talking about really nice linen sheets. Allowing your body to sleep in one of the best fabrics available will result in healthier sleep. You can find linen sheets at places like Restoration Hardware and other places online. And of course, there are plenty of options maybe near you. Now, I know good linen sheets can cost a bit, so I offer you 2 solutions. The first is to make it a priority to have linen sheets. When we prioritize things in life, like we learned earlier, they have a way of working out. Tell friends and family that this is what you want as a gift, or let them know you are saving up for them. When you have put enough money aside, buy them. Second, make a set yourself. That's what I did when I was starting out. The folks over at bedthread.com have good, authentic linen bedding, and you can find more, I'm sure, if you do your own digging. Now, let's talk about weighted blankets. Weighted blankets have been used for those that suffer from anxiety to autism. I feel more comfortable sleeping with weight on me. I used to achieve this with about 7 different blankets and quilts. Remember to be mindful of the heaviness though. Heavier is not necessarily better. My current weighted blanket is 15 pounds. I have been under a 30-pound blanket that felt like cement. It was not comfortable for me at all. Now you should be all set and ready for a good night's rest with the best sheets and cozy blankets. You have covered so much material in these several lessons to help you create and understand your rest needs. You know what you need to do to practice good sleep hygiene. as well as your sleep chronotype. You have thought about your sleep habits and how to improve them to maximize your health, your happiness, and humanity. Now, let's bolster up. The entire module was an amazing amount of work, and you should be super proud of yourself. But as I mentioned in the very beginning, these 4 pillars are the key elements to becoming a happy, healthy human. So let's process what you learned. Take a few moments and answer the debrief questions before continuing on. And I will see you in the next lesson.